Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What I have for you today is we are going to be decorating my guest bathroom for spring, and then later we'll add a little touch of Easter. I'm so excited to show you what I have for this room. I love it. Now first, let's mention my hair. I absolutely love it. I never would have chosen this color, but I think it is gorgeous. I'm obsessed, totally obsessed. Let me turn all the way around, let you see. This is a wig from Amazon. Oh my gosh, I love it. As many of you know, I have naturally curly hair, and then the humidity down here, it just, I mean, when it's pretty, it's gorgeous. But when it's humid, you can forget it. And I'm tired of fighting with it. And I thought, you know, I want to have fun with my hair. I want to have fun with different colors and see what I think. So this style I picked up off of Amazon. I have already ordered another one in a different color. This comes in many different colors. It's a great fit for my head. It doesn't feel hot. It looks so on trend, kind of snazzy, but I love it. And like I said, I love this color. And the best part was it was $20, if you can believe it. I was shocked, but it is wonderful, okay? So I will have the information linked if you're interested. Some of you said when I mentioned a long time ago that I was going to start looking for a wig to let you know. Well, I'm telling you now, this is a stunner. I love it. So, and at $20, you cannot beat it. If you want to just see, oh, what would I look like with this color hair before you commit to that color, you've got it made. So like I said, I'll link everything in the description box to order this wig if you're interested. It's hard to tell what all color hair I may start having, but I am having a ball, okay? So I've got everything cleared out of my bathroom, the guest bathroom. You can see what it looks like. And it's pretty. I kept these towels. Now, I do want to let you know, I took those white towels and shower curtain back to Hobby Lobby because I hung it up in here. Just wasn't working. It was too white with all this really pretty bronze. With this, also this towel. I just love them so much. Picked them up at Penny's years ago to match the shower curtain. And I just thought, I think I'm making the bathroom not look as good with those. So what I ended up doing was taking the shower curtain and the towels back to Hobby Lobby. Didn't really care for how they were. And I got what you're about to see that I'm going to put in this room, except the little rugs. I got them at Home Goods. But for $8 more than I paid for that shower curtain and towel. And let me tell you, it's such a wonderful look. Okay, so let's get started decorating my guest bathroom for spring 2023. All right, the first thing I picked up, look at this from Hobby Lobby. It's hard to get it all in frame. Absolutely love it. Wall Decor is 50% off. This is a tapestry. It was $49.99, 50% off. And I am just going to hang this right up here. And I didn't want to hang it on a hook. I'll show you in a minute. So I just got these little well, they're not nails. They're kind of like little things that you hang pictures with that were really pretty. And I just put it up there, and it just looks, it doesn't look like those monkey hooks. I think they look very awkward. Okay, next I'm going in with these from Hobby Lobby. They just pull all this bronze and gold that I have going on in here. And I think they really look good with my countertop, my vanity, and my towels. Look how that is. It just adds so much to this room already. Love it. Okay, while we're over here, I'm going to put a hand towel on. Okay, I got a pack of 2 at Home Goods, and I think they fit right in here. So I'm gonna hang this right here. Loving it. Okay, let me show you what else I did. Many of you will remember this vase I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and then I picked up these asparagus bushes, and you've told me the name of this flower. I cannot remember it. It starts with a C, I'm pretty sure, and I just put 2 bunches down in that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just want this to look very spring, refreshing. I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. As you can see, all this floral decor is playing very nicely off one another, okay? Now let's decorate over here. Okay, next I'm going in with this. Pick this up off of Amazon. It comes, you just screw the little feet in it. I love risers. I thought this would be perfect for this bathroom. I don't have a whole lot of room here, but I have enough, okay? Then I'm going in with these gold candle holders that I hauled quite a while ago. I was on the fence about taking it back, but I decided not to. And then I'm going to put these candles that I picked up on Amazon, and I'll link everything that I can in the description box below. But I just want this to be such a beautiful retreat. I think this looks very elegant, and these have come with a remote, but I don't know where I put it. Okay, next we're going in with this mini plant that I picked up at Target quite a while ago. Just gonna nestle it right there. This little bird that I picked up at Michael's, I think he's so sweet. That's the nod to spring. And then I'm going in with this candle. Okay. That looks so it really looks upscale, on trend. I like all the different textures with the wood and then this metal and then the candle. The plant softens everything, and then so does this candle and the bird. Love it. Next I'm going in with these 2. You could really make this easy if you got that little, sometimes Target's Dollar Spot has, I don't know if it's really glass or plexiglass. I think it's glass. And you could dry your own little flowers and put in there. I know it's hard to see from that ring light, but I love these. I don't remember how much they were, but like I said, I got everything for $8 more than that towel and shower curtain. I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. Now we're going to decorate my shelves. Okay, remember this? I picked this up at Walmart. Love it. And I just took some of this Hobby Lobby's Baby Breath, put that right down in there. And I'm going to stick that right in here, and I think it just ties everything in nicely. Next I'm going in with this. It was just a piece of wood that I DIY'd, painted it, and took some clay and the iron orchid stamps and put down in there. I did this years ago, okay? And I was inspired by Joanna Gaines. She had something like this she was selling, and I thought, I can do that. So that's going to go right here. Next I'm going in with this. I've had this from Hobby Lobby a long time. It was $7.99. Picked it up when table decor was 50% off. This bird was $14.99 Hobby Lobby. But I've had these for a long time. And I'm just going to snug that right in there. How cute is that? Okay, now we're going to work here and here, and then I have to put my rugs down, and then I'll give you an overall tour of what it looks, because it's really hard to see. Okay, next I'm going in with this little bird again from Michael's. And I made this a long time ago with my Cricut. I think it's cute. And then here's another little one that I made. This time I just kind of made the wood a little darker. And I'm going to set it right here. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like on the top. I already decorated it because I had to get a step ladder. Okay, this is how it looks. You can see that beautiful tapestry hanging there. Right here are my rugs. I love them. They just look so natural, home goods. Then if you look right here, you see this gorgeous flower arrangement. So simple to make. And this actually makes the room look bigger. You would think it would have closed it off, but it didn't. Then in here, that's from Target, and the little flower is as well. And then this is how I styled this. And then here are these. I just love them. Well, this is how it turned out. I really do love it. I think it looks so upscale, on trend. I love all the different textures and patterns that's in this room. And it's a great way, and a very inexpensive way actually, to totally transform your bathroom. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss any of my uploads or community posts. So I will see you on Wednesday. I'm not sure what. I think we may start decorating for Easter. Not 100% sure yet. But, oh, and don't forget, if you're interested in this wig, which I'm obsessed with, it'll be linked in the description box below. It comes in many different colors. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. She was asleep on the couch with Mama. Mom managed to pass 4 stones late last night, but now another one is moving, and I hate that for her. So keep her in your prayers. Maggie says hi. Say hello. Say I love you. Say I like my mama's hair. Yes, I do. So until next time, bye guys.